Have you ever wondered whether finding meaning in life is actually important, or is it just something made up by people? Maybe you get the sense that you should be further along in life, yet experience an overwhelming sense that you'll never get anywhere from where you are now. If you've ever wondered whether personal development works, it does. To lead a content and successful life, it's imperative to find meaning in your life. This is something that distinguishes you from others. The meaning you find in your life may not be the same as those around you, but that's fine. Your distinct meaning is what sets you apart. Once you find the meaning in your life, you can become the best of your being. In addition to that, you'll be able to polish your personality.